go to the Google Play Store or the App Store on your mobile device and search MetaMask. Click on Install button and download the app on your device. After the installation is complete, open the app. Then click on Get Started button, and select the Create New Wallet button. Click on Agree. Accept the terms and conditions. Then you will be asked to create password for your wallet. Please create a strong and secret password. Please tick the checkbox and click on Create Password button. Then click on Start button and confirm your password again. Here you will be shown a seed phrase. Please remember it and don't share it with anyone. You can also copy this and keep it somewhere no one can access it. Once you've done this, click on Continue. In the third step, you will be asked to fill in the seed phrase in exact same sequence that was shown in the previous step. After completely filling in the seed phrase, click on Complete Backup button. You should see the congratulations message on your screen, then click on Done button. You can get more information through the tutorial, but as we are already familiar with the platform, we'll skip the tutorial. Once you're in the wallet dashboard, top middle of your screen should show Ethereum chain selected by default. Click on it and then click on Add Network button. You will see multiple options there. Please select BNB chain or BEP20 network and click on Add and click on Approve. Then click on Switch to BNB chain. Now you can see the change on your screen. Before there was Ethereum selected. Here you go. Now you have successfully created a new wallet on MetaMask.